Right, so this video, we're looking at another type of, or another pair of angles when you have a parallel lines cut by a transversal. And by now, we should be seeing something when you have two parallel lines. Just trace over those with yellow, and they're cut by a transversal. Outline that with red. We've already talked about this 96-degree angle and this angle 4, they're vertical angles. Vertical angles will have the same measure. That also has to be 96 degrees. And we also talked about in the inside of the parallel lines, in the interior here, we have alternating interior angles. So angle 4 and angle 5 will be the same. So angle 5 has to be 96 degrees. And then we have angle 5 and angle 8. They're vertical angles, so they have to be congruent, which means they have the same measure. So that has to be 96 degrees. So our original problem in this diagram, we had 96-degree angle. We're supposed to find angle 8. Angle 8 is on the exterior, the outside, and it's alternating. So 96 degrees and the angle 8 are called alternating exterior angles. And alternating exterior angles will have the same measure. So hopefully you're thinking, well, that's interesting, because remember, let's go back to the 96-degree angle. Angle 2 plus the 96 degrees will give you 180. So if I take 180 minus 96, I should get, I think it's 84 degrees. So angle 2 would be 84 degrees. And its alternating exterior angle will be angle 7, so that should also be 84 degrees. Which makes sense because together, the angle 8 and angle 7 make 180 degrees, and 96 plus 84 is 180. But that's a whole bunch of extra stuff. We're supposed to find the measure of angle 8, and angle 8 we found was 96 degrees. All these angles are related to each other. There's a relationship. So here in this picture, we have this angle, which is 105 degrees. We're supposed to find the measure of angle 7. Well, the transversal is this line here. So we're talking about the exterior alternating, right? It's on opposite sides, or alternating sides of the transversal, and they're on the outside, not the interior. So the alternate exterior angles, they're going to have the same measure. So angle 7 will have the same measure as 105 degrees. So this one here, angle 8, is what we're supposed to find. Angle 8's right here. Its alternating exterior angle is 119 degrees. So it also has to be 119. And this only happens when you have parallel lines cut by a transversal.